Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where advanced options are missing in WinRE. First, I'll show you that when I access WinRE, the advanced options are completely missing. Click on Troubleshoot, and as you can see, there are only two options here. The first one is for entering safe mode, and the second one is for accessing the BIOS. I'm going to restart the computer now. So to start with the first fix, I need you to prepare the 7-zip application and a Windows ISO file that matches the version of your current Windows. Double-click the ISO file to mount it. Go to the Sources folder and look for the file named install.wim. Right-click on the install.wim file and open it with 7-zip. Since I'm using Windows Pro, I'll open image number 6. Navigate to Windows/System32 and then find the recovery folder. Copy the recovery folder to an external location. Now, copy the recovery folder to C:\Windows/System32 and paste it there. After copying, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the command as shown on the screen. Once it's done, access WinRE again. And that's it. It's all fixed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more cool Windows tips. Have a great day.